Hurry up with my drink. Keep that head down. Yep. Fill my cup up. Alright, slow it down a little bit. There you go. That's it. That's enough. Put that drink back. Keep that head down. Why's that head so high? Hey, come here. Pick that cup up, man.
Nope. Okay.
Now, can you feed me a little bit of that?
No.
Feed it to me. Feed me the drink. Come on.
Please. Yo.
Ah, that's nice. No, that's a good brother. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Can you slide that plate over here? Whoa. Was that attitude?
No.
Keep that head down then. Where you going? Keep that head down. Let me walk in here with that head up. Now, come here. Grab that bagel right there. I want you to feed me that bagel. Yep. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. Wait a minute. Let's get it good. I'll grab that drink. Grab the drink. A little bit. Keep that neck down. Keep that neck down. Good kids. Look at these well-behaved kids. Who's the best brother ever?
Me, you, Javon Henry, Chavo.
1320.
Good job, guys.